Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing my December Sparkle & Co. subscription bag. So we're going to dig into these products, but before we do, I have a little bit of a teaser for you. In typical Mama Life fashion, I'm going to do a monthly giveaway, and here's a little teaser. So if you want to see what I'm giving away, make sure you stay to the end of the video. But let's go ahead and get into the Sparkle bag. So hello everybody. Here I am with all of my goodies. I waited to open them until I could film for y'all because I was excited. So let's just jump into the colors first off. I want to see what I got, what the colors look like, and I know you do too. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig in here. And here are the three colors that we got this month. A really pretty pink, a gorgeous glitter, and this really cool purple. Typically not my colors, but when you guys see these close up, you'll realize that they are really, really pretty. So typically for the $29.99 bag, you get 3 mini dips and 1 dip liquid. This month, they sent us a full-size clear instead of the dip liquid. I have purchased this clear in this size 2 times already. It is my favorite, so I'm super stoked for it. The first color is called High Rollers and High Heels. And it really surprised me when I opened up and saw all these flakies in there. It just looked like a neon pink to me. But then when you get a little closer, you really can see all those pink flakies in there. So this is going to be a really, really pretty color. I am really excited to put this on my nails. So this month's theme is waking up in Vegas. I think it's going to be kind of like a New Year's at home kind of situation. VIP status. This is that flat color purple, and it has a lot of like navy blue undertones to it. It's actually a really unique purple. And I would say purple is probably my least favorite color, but I really, really like the blue in this purple. It's very different. And then the star of the show, the coolest color out there, waking up in Vegas. This glitter is intense. It is gold, it is pink, and then there's some teal and some purple. It really does look like Mardi Gras just kind of threw up in this jar, and I'm excited about it. I cannot wait to get this color on my nails. Very, very pretty. So that was Waking Up in Vegas, and those are the 3 dip colors that we have in the bag. Now, you always get a swag item, and this month they sent something extra. So here's Waking Up in Vegas, and it says, we had an ace up our sleeve this month with a theme that is sure to make you feel lucky. Viva Las Vegas, baby. You sure are the queen of the casino with nails even a showgirl would be jealous of. Can't wait to see your fabulous Manny. Then it tells you everything you got in the box. There's a contest every month, and if you were not sure, if you didn't know, there's a referral program. So if you're not a subscriber and you're interested in it, go ahead and subscribe. Use my name, Amber Riley, as a referral. You'll get an $18 credit. I'll get an $18 credit. And then you also get discounts when you shop. If you're interested at all in trying the bag, I definitely recommend it. It is my favorite monthly surprise. They always give you a sticker, and then this month they sent a little something extra. So we got a bunch of little nail stickers, and they're all Sparkle & Co. How cute are these? They're all Vegas themed, and there's little fruits and cards and dice and just everything. It's very, very cute. And then the swag item this month, this is this rose gold deck of cards, and I could not get it open, so I had to get help from some scissors. But once I finally did, I was blown away. This is the prettiest deck of cards I've ever seen. It's like rose gold and shimmery. The front matches the packaging. It says Sparkle & Co. Like, I am excited to play some cards here. And then they always package everything in a cute little gift bag filled with fun little confettis, and they just always make it look so nice and feel like such a gift. For $29.99 a month, I get a surprise and it's always so worth it to me. So here's the full bag, and that's the explanation of everything you get. And again, mine's the $29.99 version, so I get 3 minis in a dip liquid, but they have smaller versions, they have larger versions. There's so many different levels that you can choose from, so check them out. I will link Sparkle & Co below. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber, then you can check out everything they have. So just head on down to the description box below, and I will link all my discount codes and everything you need to know down there. So now that we have gotten into all the goodies from the box this month, it's time to get into the giveaway. Oh yeah. So here we go. Every month I like to do a little giveaway. Whenever I get my Sparkle & Co bag, I get a couple of these little sample jars and I pour in, I don't know, a generous of helping. I'm not sure how much, but a good amount, enough for you to do a few manicures at least, so that one of y'all gets to try the sub bag colors for the month. Whether you are just not a subscriber yet and you want to try them out, you can't afford it and you've always been wanting to, you didn't get to subscribe in time and you missed these colors, whatever the reason, you have a chance to win sample colors from this month's bag. So I like to do a lot of giveaways on my channel. I do one at least once every month, giving away my Sparkle & Co colors. And I do a lot of other giveaways just randomly from time to time. So if you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, check out some of my other videos, and that way you'll get to become part of the fam and you'll get to be entered into all of the contests that I do. I do have another contest I've been planning coming up here shortly, so make sure you stay tuned to that. So here are the 3 colors, but there's more. I got some of these Maniology stickers, and I'm going to pass those on to one of you. They're really cute little nail stickers from Maniology. And there's more. I decided to go ahead and share my Sparkle & Co nail stickers with you. So I just went ahead and kind of cut these in half and decided to give y'all the bigger half, of course, because you guys are just so special to me. So here is the Sparkle & Co stickers. So if you want to win this cute little giveaway, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below and let me know why you want to win. And I will just randomly use my random comment picker to pick somebody, and I will let you know on Instagram. So make sure you leave me a comment down below. Check out the description box so that you know all the good deets. And I just appreciate y'all so much. So that was it. I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, being a part of my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And again, I really appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.